taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world. With Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira. Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from.
Good morning everyone, how are you? Okay guys, welcome to my channel. Okay people, today I'm gonna make it nilagang baboy. Is a pork ribs. Okay, this is yummy and delicious. Okay guys, this is my recipe. I have a pork ribs. Ayan, look at this. Nice. And nilaga, this is the recipe, Filipine style. This is nice. Okay guys, pepper, salt, and onion, garlic, corn, and patatas is potato. Okay, meron tayong cabbage. And this one is tamarind seasoning. Okay guys, and chicken stock and the boiling water here. Okay people, let's begin. I'm gonna put the pork now. Is the boiling water in there? So, oh sorry, this splashing. Right, splashing. Okay guys, and then I put the onion. Put the onion and garlic. Okay, and then pepper. Nice. And this one is later. Okay. Pakuluan muna natin siya yung I need to boil the pork so nice and tender. So ayan. And I'm gonna put in chicken stock. If you like, it's nice. I love it. Just put like that, guys. And then the patatas, I cut it by 4. Okay. Just like this. Otherwise, gonna be too big. So fine. I can put now as well, so together I can. Wow, it's so nice. And now guys, I need a cabbage to cut it. I can use this, just the half one, okay? Lang natin siya ng like this. I'm gonna wash this. Okay, guys. Okay, people. Can I put salt as well? Salt. Haluin na natin siya. Ayan. It's delicious. It's really good. I love this recipe, people. It's really good for the winter like this. It's this yummy. Okay, guys. Lagay ko na din tong corn. I'm gonna put the corn, okay? Corn. Para maluto na. Look at this. Cabbage and corn. Okay, guys, by the way, we've been busy day a few days ago, and all your comment, if I'm not commenting, I'm gonna talk the other day, guys. So don't worry about that. So I'm looking for your channel, so don't worry. So guys, really appreciate that. Okay, look at this. It's amazing now. Oh, I love it. Gonna see you. That excellent. Look the potatoes. Look the meat. The corn. You can see. Amazing. Okay, guys. Look at this. Yan. Antonia, yes. Okay, lagyan natin yung tamarind, okay? This one. Tamarind seasoning. Masarap pag maasim. Okay, guys. Sarap. Masarap to. Sinigang na baboy. Have tamarind in it. On it. It's really good. Okay guys, in 2 minutes I'm gonna put the cabbage, okay? So okay guys, lagyan natin yung cabbage. Very full. Lagyan natin siya. Okay. Very good. Tatakpan ko lang siya mamaya. Okay, people. About like 2 minutes, gonna be okay. Amazing. Oh, this look amazing. So yummy. Marami kasing lahok. Oh my God. So amazing. Guys, look at that. Okay guys. Lagyan na natin sa bowl. Okay. Ayan. Tingnan mo yung wow, amazing, isn't it? Yung gulay, yung patatas. Amazing, yummy. Lagyan natin siya ng spring onion. Look at this. Amazing. Wow, excellent. I love it. Look at that. It's amazing, isn't it? The soup is yummy. It smells delicious, people. It's really good for you, especially like this weather. It's so cold weather, winter. So amazing. With the corn, cabbage. Sarap to. Sinigang na baboy ribs. Look, yummy. Okay guys, sana po nagustuhan nyo ang aking recipe today and amazing. Smell delicious, masarap. Thank you for watching and hopefully you like it. And please thumbs up for me. I love you all guys. Have a nice day. Bye now. Guys, look at this. It's great. Amazing, eh? Nilagang baboy. Great. Wow, sarap.
Taste all the flavors of life you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from everywhere. Come with us, discovering the meaning of life and what does it show. We love food world, we love food world.
Antonia Septimo from Philippines and Ricardo Nunes from Madeira.
If you want to taste all the flavors of life, you need to know. A channel made with a lot of love, bringing delicious things from